Good afternoon, MyBlindCo users. This is Audra with MyBlindCo. And today I want to talk about iPad best practices and also troubleshooting, and basically making sure that your MyBlindCo app, which you see on the right side, is up to date and has the latest and greatest data. So I'm showing both versions here. As you know, MyBlindCo is also web-based, and that's what you see on the left. So you can access your company from the browser version server and also that iPad app. So we want to make sure these two talk to each other. And most importantly, any data that's in the server gets downloaded onto your iPad app. So a good example is someone might be in the office scheduling appointments on the calendar, and maybe you just added an appointment for, let's just say Marion here, and Marion's out in the field with her iPad. As you know, MyBlindCo app is designed to work offline. So when you're in the office with your iPad, the app is connected to the internet. But then as soon as you hop in the car and drive to the customer's house and your iPad disconnects from the internet, then right now MyBlindCo is working standalone. So you can actually create a quote in the home without even connecting to the internet. But we do need to make sure any updates that happened get synced to your iPad. A couple things. Out in the field, you can connect your iPad to the internet via a hotspot on your phone. Once your iPad is connected to Wi-Fi, then you can come up here to this wheel right up here and hit synchronize. This will trigger a connection to the server to bring down and send any quotes and orders you might have native to your device here to the browser version, to the server. So once you see it on the browser version, in your quote list, then you know that data from the iPad has synced to the server. So the example of looking at the appointment. So if someone's in the office, they just added an appointment on your calendar and you don't see it here on your iPad, you can hit synchronize, but you also have to fire off another action and then go back to the calendar and then you'll see it. Similarly, you might be finished with a quote and let's open up a quote, we hit save. Whenever you do another action, it sends the push. So at that point, you've completed the synchronizing. So just come into that wheel, hidden sync is part of the step. The next step is a push. So best practice for the iPad app, in the morning, at home, you have your iPad, grab a cup of coffee, your iPad's connected to the internet. We always suggest you to sign out of the app and then back in. Each time you do that, not only are you syncing data that might be native to your device here, quotes and orders, but it also initiates a download product catalog. So we're going to load all the latest and greatest data tables onto your iPad, for making updates in the background, Alta, honeycombs, and even new pricing, bug fixes, and so forth. Whenever you sign in and sign out, it refreshes all the data tables right onto your iPad, so you know your iPad is up to date. And you can always verify that by taking a look at the portal version. So if you see your quotes that you did out in the field on the portal here, you know it has been synced to the server, and that anybody else in your company, even on a mobile device, they'll be able to download that information on their device. I hope this helps. Thank you very much.